What is up, guys? Welcome to another episode. Today we're gonna be changing the oil in my car, and also we're gonna be replacing the sway bar bushings, so it's ready to go. We're here at UWrench in Arizona, where you can rent your own bay, rent your own tools, and get this work done. Stay tuned and thanks for watching. Alright guys, so to get the sway bar bushings undone, remove these bolts right here. They're 10mm each, right here and here. Just release those and then you should be able to change them. These are in pretty bad shape. My guess is these are the OEM. So let's get this done. See that the whole thing comes down. It's pretty good. These appear to be in pretty rough shape. I mean, they're not so bad for being stock. The M1s from 2006. Not that bad. They aren't that bad though. They aren't that bad. Just pretty good. It seems like they were still holding up. They're just kind of old. Now you see this rust. So I'm just gonna clean it with a sandpaper. Then I remove all that. So now I'm gonna be lubricating the bushings and also on the inside, that way they don't squeak. That's it for today's, guys. Go check them out, UWrench AZ. They're pretty good. You can rent your own bay. They got paint booth. You can rent tools and everything. Everything is ready. All right, see you in the next one.